It's the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for Friday, the 21st of December. I'm Michael Groff. Today is the winter solstice, and it's going to feel a little bit like it out there with wet and windy conditions. But the weekend looks pretty good with temperatures slowly warming up as we get into next week. In fact, by late next week, we could be close to 80. All right, let's get out there and look at the almanac from yesterday. 68 for the high, 63 the low, but that's not the big story. Look at that rainfall total yesterday, 3.52 inches, and that set a daily rainfall record, shattered the old record by more than 2 inches. And we've had almost 8.5 inches of rain for this month, and we are more than 15 inches ahead for the year. All right, outside right now, we've got some scattered showers around, and we start this day at 59 degrees at Tampa International, dew point at 52, 77% the humidity, wind from the west-southwest at 22, gusts to 28, and the barometer 2965 and rising. Temperatures around the area, mostly 50s and low 60s. Let me show you this graphic. This is the rainfall that we've had since Wednesday afternoon here across central Florida. Very impressive rainfall totals, over 6 inches in parts of Polk County. Down there in Manatee County, a couple of spots have picked up over 5 inches of rain. Tarpon Springs over 4 inches. Obviously, widespread 3 to 4 inch amounts across much of the area, and heavier rain further to the south. And you can see why that upper look, there's our U-shaped trough, the big, deep upper trough, very vigorous system, and it'll be slowly lifting out over the next 24 hours, but a very windy day, and so scattered showers will be around. All right, here's the watch warning map, and we do have a wind advisory in effect for basically all of Florida and extending all the way up through the mid-Atlantic states through 7 o'clock this evening. So wind gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible anywhere in that advisory area through the day today. Elsewhere across the country, most of the action is actually here in the east with winter weather advisories and wind advisories, and just a big mess all the way up the Atlantic seaboard. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the United States, and precipitation for the next 7 days from the WPC amounts around a half inch or so here in central Florida. Heavier totals further to the north and west. All right, let's get into the models and break it all down here. Looking at the GFS, this is the 06Z run valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. There's our vigorous trough here over the southeast, northwesterly flow aloft down at the surface. The cold front is well on past, but with those fast-moving winds close to the surface, whipping across the Gulf, we'll still see numerous showers around through the day today. It's not going to rain all day. It'll be kind of an off and on thing, but still very windy. Winds 15 to 25, gusts to 40. Highs this afternoon, low to mid-60s. Tonight, scattered showers around, but we'll see a decreasing trend overnight. Lows mostly in the 50s. And then tomorrow, some clouds around in the morning, but then decreasing clouds, becoming mostly sunny by the afternoon. High temperatures low to mid-60s. Sunday, mid-60s for the high with sunny skies. Monday looks pretty nice too. Christmas Eve, high temperatures low 70s as a warming trend gets going as ridging builds in here across the southeastern United States. And then on Christmas Day, looks great. Highs mid-70s, partly cloudy skies. Now Wednesday, we'll see some more clouds coming in. There could be a shower around someplace. I didn't put it in the forecast, but technically the rain chance is not zero. High temperatures mid and upper 70s. Then here's Thursday, highs getting close to 80 with mostly cloudy skies and a small chance that we could see a shower. Here's a week from today. This is Friday, the 28th, and a very cold low over Arizona. Look at that, 540 line right there over central Arizona. Wow. Meanwhile, ridging here across the southeast, and we'll see some clouds around, maybe a shower, but overall it doesn't look too bad, and high temperatures well above average, upper 70s, maybe even low 80s. Here's Saturday, the 29th, still have a very cold low over the southwest states. We are still, I won't call it dry, I'd say that overall just an isolated shower or two possible, mostly cloudy, kind of tropical, highs upper 70s and low 80s. And here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Sunday, the 30th. And a pretty vigorous system over the southern plains. Rain to our west, but looks like we'll stay dry. Highs mid and upper 70s. Let's check out the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Below normal through the next few days. And then as we get into next week, that warming trend really gets going, and we'll close out 2018 close to 80 and then indications of cooler weather as we head into the first week of January. And that's going to do it for the Tampa, Florida weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning, just in time for Christmas Eve. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, and suggestions, always encouraged as well. Be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a fantastic weekend.